Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we start, I just want to say one thing, that please don't forget to check the description. I have added the link for the FlipLink deal and also share the latest information or updated information there. If anything changes or new offer come, I will add it in the description too. So today let's talk about fliplink.me. If you work with PDF or ebooks, or maybe you send presentations to your client, then this tool is going to be super helpful for you. FlipLink lets you to turn the normal PDF file into Flipbooks, basically like a digital magazine that people can flip through. It looks clean, professional, and much more fun than just a plain old PDF. Now here is the cool part. They have a lifetime deal ongoing right now. That means you pay once and use it forever. No need to pay every single month. This is great for freelancers, teachers, business owners, or even digital product creators. The setup is simple. You just upload your PDF to FlipLink and it turns into a flipbook instantly. You get a shareable link and people can view it from any devices like mobile, tablet, desktop, and don't even need to ask them to download anything. Also, it supports branding, which means you can add your own logo and style, so your work looks like it's really yours. And another good thing is it also gives you viewer stats. So if you send a flipbook to a client or customer, you can actually see how many people opened it, what pages they saw, and how much time they spent. Now let's talk about the deal. So you can check the link in the description because these lifetime deals don't always last long. It may be sold out later. So if you are even a little interested, then open the description and check out this offer. And you can purchase the lifetime deal with just one payment. So that was for today. FlipLink is simple, useful, and this deal makes it even better. So let me know in the comment section what kind of PDF you would like to turn into flipbooks. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips, and I will see you in the next video.